Jackson 7 departure. Then is filed. Non-departure climb and maintain 8,000. Departure frequency 124.3, squawk 4643.
Good speed, 90 knots.
Minimums.
415, read back short.
Go pilot's done. And I think we'll just take her down with 20 degrees.
Okay.
And the speed's good at 85. I've got the field made.
Oh, the PAPI lights aren't showing.
Notice that. And here's one for our home. Oh, little high. Little high. Oops, too bad. Okay, sorry about that.
That's the 1 Foxtrot Romeo Fable, turn right, taxi to parking, monitor ground 18.
91 Foxtrot, welcome. Looking for a stripe. I see a taxi sign. There we go.
In flight 415, taxi to runway 32, cross at Alpha 4.
91 Foxtrot.